I am here with Chef Zayn from Medyz Swahili Cuisine, who's going to show you how to make something healthy and delish at home. One of your favorite dishes from your homeland. Tell us about this.
Hi Cindy, thank you so much for having me back again on the show. I'm excited today to share with you and with all of you a very simple dish, and this is cassava.
Or yuca.
So we do have some hot boiled water here, and we would take like a cup of Goya and boil it.
So you boil the yuca for 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay, great.
And I also have some Goya corn oil. I love their products.
Yeah, I love it too because it's so natural and light. So you put a little oil.
Yes. And I have some chopped onions that will go in here. This is a very simple dish and very light. You can serve it as a side dish. We're making it as a vegetarian dish today, but you do have an option to cook it with either beef or chicken.
Okay.
So we'll fry the onions just very lightly. We also have some Goya seasoning here.
Oh, the
peppers.
adobo.
Yeah,
yes,
the adobo.
I love that. The adobo is perfect.
So we can do like a teaspoon, just a little bit. And now I will add
The tomato?
the tomato,
Okay. And this is also a
Goya product.
And I love the
So
tomatoes because they're so
They're
natural
so
and fresh.
natural and juicy. Yeah, it makes it very easy and simple to cook. So we'll add now the cassava.
So after it's boiled for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah.
I love cassava or yuca. Oh, everything smells so delicious.
Good. So this is ready.
Okay. Ooh, this looks delicious. Thank you, Chef Zayn.
How do you like it, Cindy?
Yeah, let me try. This is
The
so
flavors.
delicious. I love yuca, but the way that you've blended these flavors, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Enjoy. Bon appetit.